Hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. Today we are going to solve this numerical from electricity chapter based on resistance. So see the question. Find the equivalent resistance of the network between A and B when question A key is open. So they have given this circuit diagram. So this is the key given. When the key is open, what is the equivalent resistance between A and B? In the same way, when the key is closed, what is the equivalent resistance between A and B? They are asking you to find. Now see here, when the key is open, that means the current does not pass through this path. So you will have here open circuit. That means the current will be passing only from A to this 12 ohm, then directly to 6 ohm and then to B. In the same way down also from A 6 ohm, 12 ohm and to B. So this path is not there. You will simply have the circuit diagram from A to B with 4 resistances like this. Okay, so you know the values. 12 ohm, 6 ohm are above and the same way 6 ohm and 12 ohm are below. So if you see here, you can identify from A to B we have two paths. Above path also we have two resistances, below also two resistances, 12 ohm and 6 ohm. Now first, so as we have series resistance, what is the formula for series resistance? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. Then for this path, above path I am taking Rs1. What is the values? 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 ohm. In the same way Rs2, what are the values we have for resistance? 6 and 12. 6 plus 12 will be equal to 18 ohm. Understood? Now these two 18 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. So you will have two parallel resistances between A and B. Both are 18 ohm and 18 ohm. So what is the formula? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus and so on. How many ever number of resistances you have? Those many. Now when the resistors are same, that means the value is same, and if you have to find resistance in parallel, you have formula Rp is equal to R by N. N means number of resistors connected. Here we have number of resistors connected. N is equal to 2 and R is equal to 18. So from here you will get Rp is equal to 18 by 2. So 2 ones and 2 nines. Rp is equal to 9 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance when the key is open for that circuit diagram. Now the same way they have asked in question B, when the key is closed, what is the value of equivalent resistance? For the same diagram you have to take. Now when the key is closed, what happens? Now there is another path with wire. There is another path formed here. Now the circuit has 4 resistances, and how these 4 resistances are connected in the circuit, if you know, you will get idea how to solve. Now in this diagram, how do you identify First, from A, the current is getting divided in 12 ohm and 6 ohm, and once it reaches 12 ohm, again there are two paths. One is conductor, that means just you will have switch. So this path, this path, 6 ohm path. Now here it is getting divided again from 6 ohm to 12 ohm. Again the current reaches to B. Now here what are the resistances in parallel, what are the resistances in series? We'll just simplify this diagram. Now see here, I can draw diagram like this. You know the resistances, I am just separating these two parts of the resistances which are in parallel because they are actually joined. So I am just joining with a wire. Now this is 12 ohm, this is 6 ohm, this is 6 ohm, and this is 12 ohm between A and B. Now you have an easy picture. So this 12 ohm and 6 ohm and 6 ohm and 12 ohm, all of them are in parallel. Okay, understood? So these two are in parallel, these two are in parallel. If you find equivalent resistance of these two parallel combinations, the resultant resistors will be in series. Now we will find, as the values are same, I am just teaching you to find for one combination. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by Rp is equal to, substitute, 1 by R1 is 12 ohm plus R2 is 6 ohm. Even for this combination, second combination also, you will have 6 plus 12 only. So 1 by Rp1 also you will have same. In the same way 1 by Rp2 I am writing here, you will have 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. Now if you solve this resistance 1 by Rp1, you will have LCM 12. As you have LCM 12, 12 will go in 12 one time, so 1 into 1, the numerical if you multiply you will get 1 only. The 12 will go in 6 two times, so 2 into 1 is 2. Now 1 by Rp1 is equal to 3 by 12. So Rp1 is equal to 12 by 3, 3 ones and 3 fours. In the same way, if you do for Rp2 also, you have same. Rp1 is equal to 4 ohm. In the same way, Rp2 also you do it, you will get 4 ohm only. So with this, we have seen in the diagram Rp1 and Rp2 are in series. Rp1, Rp2, because 4 ohm are connected between A and B. So the equivalent resistance R equivalent, R you can simply write Rs is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 ohm. Okay, so when the circuit is closed, you have the resistance value 8 ohm. That means when the key is closed, the equivalent resistance value you got 8 ohm. When the circuit key is open, you have the value is 9 ohm. Understood all of you? So when the circuit is open, the key is open, we have solved. We have Rp is equal to 9 ohms. So the equivalent resistance here, R equivalent is equal to 9 ohm. In the same way, when you have the circuit key is closed, you have two parallel combinations. I have solved for one because the values are same. The second also you get the same value, 4 ohm. The equivalent resistance has become 8 ohm. I hope all of you understood this problem. So if you have any particular chapter or topic doubt, you can comment me so that I will make a video on this. So please like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you will get the notifications. Thank you.